This is typical Dar es Salaam city, which have approximately number of 45 million citizens, according to the century done on this year 2013. Maybe last year 2012. It's having several telecom providers, including Vodacom, Tigo, Zantel, TTCL, Smile, etc., etc., using a variety of technologies from Huawei, Ericsson, Nokia, Siemens, ZTE. Today we are going to discuss on Nokia Siemens equipments, which are currently used by one of our operators here in Tanzania. These equipments, they commonly known as Flexi multiradio BTS, and we are here in one of the sites which is having these equipments like this one. Most of these Nokia Siemens equipment are divided into two parts, which is the system module and the RF modules. As you can see, we're going to have these sites which is having both technologies from 2G, 3G and 4G. Now we have three different modules, one having 3G, the other one 4G, and the other one is 2G. This is a Flexi multiradio for 2G. You can first identify it by where the power is tapped. The DC power for the 2G, power is tapped in front of your panel. As you can see here, the power is tapped directly from the front panel of your system module. This card is known as FSMC, the card for 2G, whereby this FSMC is having your three optical cables to three different sectors. These are the optical cables 1, 2 and 3. These three optical cables for different sectors. There is also LMP ports for login, for maintenance, management, commissioning, etc. This is for 2G, whereby this card, as I said before, it is known as FSMC, and it's having like external alarms, Q1 cable. This is for external alarms, and this is one for LMUB, Location Management Unit, LMU. Apart from that, it's having transmission cards, whereby you can have your E1s as well as synchronization ports. This is for 2G. Coming for 3G and 4G, here the difference is that in 3G or 4G, power is tapped at the side of your panel. As you can see, power here is tapped over there, not like in 2G where it's tapped in front of the panel. And here the system module card is FSME. As you can see here, this is for 4G here, FSME core. You can see here. As usual, this card contains your three fibers to different three sectors. These are the three different fibers to three different sectors. Thereafter, you have the transmission card, whereby under here the card used, it is FTIB. It's having the E1 cable and also the cable for synchronization. We have another one here for 3G. That one was for 4G. Just like for 4G, it's having a FSME card, whereby it's having management ports and a fiber, one fiber to RF module. and the transmission card for E1 and F for synchronization. The last part is for RF modules. This is a RF module for 3G, and we are having RRH